welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is Battle of the Bags. Ipsy glam bag up against Sephora Play. $10, $12. Is there gonna be much of a difference? We're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna find out. So if this sounds like a video for y'all, well, let's go ahead and jump right in. Today's video, of course, we're gonna put the Ipsy glam bag up against the Sephora Play. Now, both of these are monthly subscriptions. However, the Sephora Play bag is $10 a month, and the Ipsy glam bag is now $12 a month. Now, both of these bags do have profiles specific to your needs, your likes, your wants, and all of that fun stuff. So even more so makes this interesting to put them up against each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Ipsy glam bag. Ipsy always has a bag that's not new to the $12. It has always been something that with Ipsy glam bag, when it was $10 a month, we always still receive this cute little type of bag. And of course, I'm gonna be real with you guys, I'm a little biased because I love the cheetah print, I love zebra print. You give me those prints and I'm like, I love it so much. So this is what the bag looks like up close. As Haley told you guys, it does have a little tassel on it, and I just think it's actually really adorable. Now, the first item I did receive is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. It is a little mini sample size. You will see this as an ongoing pattern when it comes to Ipsy Glam Bag and Sephora. These are more so sample sizes, sometimes, or deluxe size samples. Sometimes we'll get a full size type of product in our bags as well. But this is a nice little travel friendly size product. The next item is the Gigi Gorgeous. This is a blotting powder that I did receive, and I don't know honestly guys if this is like the full size of the blotting powder or this, you know, the standard size, or if it's like a little mini size. Like in my head, this is the mini size of the blotting compact, but it's really cute. I like the packaging on it. And then the next item we got is by Nomad, and if you saw the Ipsy versus Ipsy mother versus daughter, I didn't actually open mine. Haley had opened hers. I don't know if I'm going to keep this because I have so many bronzers. I think I'm going to probably just end up putting this in a goodie bag giveaway or a giveaway. But this is what the inside of the bronzer looks like. And it is a really cute little compact. I really do like that. But that's why I'm not going to be swatching it, because it'll probably end up in a giveaway. Okay, so the next item that I did get in my bag is by Lovecraft Beauty, and this is the blush in the shade Daphne. I feel like my lights wash it out when I try and get up close. There we go. There we go. That is a good shade. It's really light, and like I told you guys in the Ipsy versus Ipsy, it reminds me a lot of the shade Sweet Surprise from Collab blush, or it's from Collab. It's a blush called Sweet Surprise. That fast, I forgot the name of it. But you guys can see it's pretty similar, but I use this blush all the time and I really like it. So I thought this was really pretty, and I may keep it, I may put it in a giveaway. You just never know with me. I may donate it, I don't know. Then we received the Verso Hydration Serum with niacinamide. I don't know what I'm trying to do here. And sometimes with Ipsy, it's one of those deals where you'll get a tube this size, but like maybe only like a little bit of it is actually full. But I feel with this one, the whole thing is full or close to it. So that was everything in our Ipsy bag. Moving on to our Sephora Play. Like I said, the Sephora Play is $10 a month. You also fill out a profile. However, you're gonna notice you don't get a handy dandy little cutesy bag that you could just like throw in your backpack and do your thing. It is more of like a plastic Ziploc baggie. I know a lot of people use it for like travel, so in case anything spills, nothing is really damaged. So there's that. They also send you, instead of like a little card, they send you like a whole pamphlet, which honestly I feel like this is so unnecessary. It's like, tell me, do you guys actually do any of the little puzzles and read this? Because I don't. Normally I rip off my 50 points or whatever kind of extra points I get and throw it away. But this one they actually changed. So they have this, of course, that we normally get, but now on the inside it's all of our products, but there's no point card, which I thought was kind of weird. I'm like, I mean, maybe I'm not always the best at remembering my point card, but I still use it. And I now expected it after years of getting Sephora Play. So Anyways, that was something that I noticed and I thought was a little odd, but whatever. Then moving on to everything that I received in the Sephora. Now Sephora is no different, it's the same thing. It is a mix of samples, deluxe samples, and sometimes full-size products. The replica perfume. Now the difference I kind of feel like with Sephora is, you know, with Sephora you're paying for more high-end or luxury types of name brands, whereas Ipsy, when you do your profile, you actually get to choose from like drugstore products to luxury high-end products, etc. I always just click the like high-end and luxury products for Ipsy, so that's where I feel like this is still an equal playing ground or field or what have you when it comes to Ipsy versus Sephora, because in my profile I have it the same as what you would expect from Sephora. So our first is the replica perfume sample, and it's just your standard type of little sample. Next, we did get a pack of 6 of these Peace Out Acne 6 acne healing dots. Now I personally never used them, but I hear wonderful things about this brand, about this product. I have teenagers, so this is definitely going to go to my teenagers, but I don't think this was a bad thing to get into the box or the bag, whatever you want to call it. So the next item I did get is from NARS. It is a lipstick in the shade Toilette. I don't really know how to say this, and I don't know if my camera will focus, and I'm sure you guys are screaming at me on how to say it, but you know your girl don't enunciate to save her life half the time. So we got a nice little deluxe size, and it is a pretty shade. I will say that it's definitely one I think I definitely have in my collection, so I actually will be putting this into a giveaway. Like I said, it'll either be a goodie bag giveaway, a Patreon giveaway, it'll be something, but there's going to be some giveaways, guys, so definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. The next item we got is by Skin Fix. This is a redness recovery antioxidant redness treatment. So it's actually a ½ ounce, and I went ahead and opened it up, and look at this, guys. You get a lot of product in here, like the whole thing's full, which I really like, because like I've said in the past before, sometimes Ipsy and even Sephora, some of the products looks like it's going to be a decent size, and then when you open it up or when you like hold it up to the light, I literally just went cross-eyed. Welcome to the Hotmess Express, guys. Hope you decide to stick around. But a lot of times if you put the tube up to the light, you'll see like half of the thing isn't even there. So it's always nice when you get a ½ ounce and it's actually a ½ ounce. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so the next item we did receive, and this is, I don't know, is it still? It was one of my best friend's favorite mascaras. This is by Clinique, and she actually was just blessed with good lashes, I swear. But she puts this on, it's like, ping. Anyways. It's the High Impact Mascara in black, and I always love getting mascara, especially when it's a good mascara. And this one feels weighty. Like, again, I feel like the product is really in this too. Okay, so the last item I received in the Sephora Play bag is a Living Proof Full Thickening Cream by, like I said, Living Proof. And again, this completely feels full, which I love. I'm like trying to look, I mean, it's filled to the brim, guys. Now, I don't know anything about this particular product. I've not tried this, but I have tried some products from Living Proof, and I really like them. They're a really good brand. So I'm excited to try this. In the end, I feel like the products were good in both, but I'm actually kind of leaning towards the Ipsy bag. I like the brands that I got in the Sephora, but I feel like when it comes down to it, I really like what I got in my Ipsy. Let me know down below you guys' thought. Did you feel like it was a tie? Because I don't know. Plus, I haven't used the products in either bag, so that's also something that's kind of hard. But I honestly, I mean, not a full size, but a good deluxe size blush, a good deluxe size bronzer. I got a blotting powder, lotions. I don't know. I'm going to give it to Ipsy this month for November. I do feel like I'm seeing a little bit of where my $2 went with Ipsy for November versus Sephora. Like, I feel like the Sephora bag was definitely like $10 or less type of bag, where I feel like I'm a little bit more comfortable paying the 12 bucks for the Ipsy. Don't you love how I try and justify things? Lord Jesus. Anyways, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. Definitely make sure to check out the dedicated videos that Haley and I did on these bags. And thank you again for noticing my husband's hard work on the intro. He is just an amazing man, and I'm super, super lucky, and he's just the bestest. So thank you again, babe, for the intro. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. We all greatly appreciate it. Anyways, guys, I hope you decide to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my second channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. I keep it linked and listed down below. Of course, both of my daughters have a channel, so that's going to be linked and listed down there below as well in the description box. And of course, to my lovely, beautiful, wonderful Patreon squad, thank you guys so much for your love and your support. And we're growing over there in the Patreon land. And so thank you guys so, so much for everything. I love you guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And until next time, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!